Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a hand expression tutorial and explain why learning this simple technique can be helpful for many new mothers. Hand expression is a way of collecting milk using only your hands without using a manual or electric pump. Many mothers learn this skill because it can be useful at home, while traveling, or whenever a pump is not available. Before you begin, always wash your hands thoroughly and prepare a clean container for collecting the milk. Good hygiene is an important part of a safe routine. Next, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Many mothers find that staying calm helps make hand expression easier. Take a few moments to relax before you start. A comfortable position and a peaceful environment can help you feel more at ease. When practicing hand expression, use slow, gentle, and steady movements. There is no need to rush. Many mothers find that patience and consistency help them become more confident with the technique. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, don't worry. Hand expression is a skill that often becomes easier with practice. After collecting the milk, transfer it into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Proper storage helps keep your routine organized. Some mothers use hand expression before or after a pumping session, while others use it as a convenient option when they are away from home. Remember that every mother's experience is unique. Take your time and find the technique that feels most comfortable for you. With practice, patience, and consistency, hand expression can become a valuable skill and a useful part of your daily feeding journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.